G'day, it's Cameron from PSA Products here, and occasionally we do get sent back smoke alarms for testing. They've been in the residence installed and they've been false alarming, so people send them back to us so we can have a look at them and see what might have been causing it. So we've got a really good example here of a smoke alarm that's been quite heavily infested with insects and a spider. And this is a good reminder to keep your smoke alarms clean and help try and prevent insects from getting inside. So we can see here we've got quite a lot of webbing here, which it's got a lot of little insects, which proves that insects are getting in and around the smoke alarm. And obviously, if we're getting lots of insects inside of the alarm, spiders are going to want to come and hide in there and catch those insects. So as we can see here, we've got a little spider in behind there that's hiding out inside of the alarm, getting quite full on all these bugs. And as we can see over the detection chamber here, all these little bugs are going to be getting in and around that detection chamber, which is probably what's likely to be causing false alarms. So it's very important to remember to obviously clean your alarm regularly to make sure that insects don't build up inside the alarm. Also keep the alarm well ventilated. And then if you do have insect problem, or if there are going to be insects getting around, use insect surface spray on the ceiling around the alarm and spray it on there without the alarm connected to help prevent insects from wanting to get inside of the alarm. Sometimes it can be very hard, but this is going to be the best way to prevent it. So I hope this has been insightful to you, and if you enjoyed it, like and follow for more.